Welcome students. Today I will discuss miscellaneous problems of series. I have taken two classes, one for arithmetic progression, second for geometric progression. Today I will discuss the miscellaneous problems of series AP, GP and HP. So look, problem number 1. So from description box you will get the problem. This is problem number 2. This is problem number 2 and this is problem number 4. Problem number 4. So problem number 1 is simple problem of geometric series, also application of solution of trigonometric equation. So a subset, this one is subset of 0, 5. Denote the values, set of values of x satisfying 8 to the power 1 plus mod cos x, cos square x, cos cube x dot dot infinity equals to 4 cube. Then s equals to what? So what is our equations? Equation is 8 to the power 1 plus mod cos x. This is mod cos cube x. This is cos square x. Then mod cos cube x dot dot infinity equals to 4 cube, that is 8 square. We can write it 8 square. So power is GP series, sum of infinite GP series. A is 1, common ratio is mod x, 1 minus cos of mod x equals to 8 square. So 1 by 1 minus mod of cos x equals to 2. So this implies, so if we take the reciprocal, our main aim is to find cos x, so this is half. So this implies mod cos x equals to half, implies cos x equals to plus minus half. Cos x equals to plus minus half. So in 0 to pi, if we take cos x equals to half, so one value is pi by 3. So one positive value in first quadrant and one in fourth quadrant. So this is not acceptable, and cos x is negative in second and third quadrant. Minus half. So what is theta? 2 pi by 3. So you also get a value in third quadrant, but it is greater than pi. So what are the solutions? Solution is x equals to pi by 3 to pi by 3 within this range 0 to pi. So what is s? S pi by 3 to pi by 3. So very simple problem. Next, problem number 4 from description box. If you see the problem, so look, problem number 4. So the sides of a triangle are in GP. Largest angle is twice the smallest one, then common ratio R satisfies the relation. So it is also mixed problem of trigonometry and series A, B, C. So let sides are they are in GP, so A by R, A, AR. So A. So largest angle is twice the smallest angle. So if it is largest angle is alpha, so largest angle. So suppose this is 2 alpha. So least angle, but smallest angle is alpha. So if it is alpha, then this is smallest side A by R, and suppose it is A by R, this is A and this is AR. So this one will be largest angle, this is 2 alpha. So A by R, A, AR. We are taking sides are in GP. So this is the smallest side. So opposite angle is smallest, and A is AR. AR is greatest. So this is 2 alpha. So from sine formula, if we use sine formula, we know A by R by sine alpha equals to AR by sine 2 alpha using sine formula. So this implies A by R sine alpha. R here sine alpha. This is AR by sine 2 alpha. So 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So A cancel. If it is not equals to 0, sine alpha cancel. So what we are getting? R square equals to 2 cos alpha. Now we know -1 lesser than equals to cos alpha lesser than equals to 1. So -2 lesser than equals to 2 cos alpha lesser than equals to 2. So -2 lesser than equals to R square lesser than equals to 2. So we are getting this relation. So from this relation we have to find R. So alpha cannot be 0. So we can write this less than, this also less than. So -2 to +2. But R square is always positive. So 0 less than, what we are getting? R square less than 2. So R square is always positive. So we get 0 less than R less than root 2. So common ratio R satisfies this relation. So these are mixed problem of trigonometry and series. Now we consider these two problems. So the equations has 3 real roots in GP, then B by A equals, and 9 ABC are in AP, BCD are in GP, CDE are in HP. A equals to 2, E equals to 8. Then sum of all possible values of C is to be determined. So consider problem number 9. Now ABC are in AP. So we know B square equals to AC. BCD are in GP. So C square equals to BD. Now CDE are in HP. Therefore their reciprocal are in AP. So we know 1 by C, 1 by D, 1 by E are in AP. So this means 2 by D equals to 1 by C plus 1 by E. So D equals to, what is D? So 2CE by C plus E. So we get D equals to this. Now you put value of B and D in C square equals to BD. So what we are getting, C square equals to, what is B? C square equals to BD. So C square, look, so sorry, ABC are in AP. So 2B equals to A plus C. 2B equals to A plus C. So C square equals to B. B is A plus C by 2. And what is D? 2CE by C plus E. So 2 cancel. So 1C also cancel out. So C square equals to A plus C into E by C plus E. So C not equals to 0. So we are getting this one. So if we multiply, this is C. 1C is cancel out. So C square plus CE equals to AE plus CE. AE plus CE. So CE is cancel out. So finally we are getting C square equals to A into E. So that is ACE are in GP. It may be one form of answer. Now here two additional conditions are given. A equals to 2, E equals to 8. So C equals to plus minus 4. So now look at the language. Sum of all possible values of C. So C is 4 and minus 4. So what is sum? Sum is 0. Sum of possible values of C, that is sum is 0. So this is 0. Answer is 0. So very simple problem, but important problem also. Now problem number 8. Problem number 8. If the equation this equals to 0 has roots in GP, then find B by A. Roots are in GP. Roots are in GP. So let roots are A by R, A R, because they are in GP. Now what is product of the roots? So product of the roots A by R, A R equals to sum of roots is minus A. Product sum of roots taking 2 at a time is B, and this is minus 216. So A cube equals to minus 216. So A equals to minus 6. If we take roots in this way, we are getting this advantage, we are getting A directly. Now sum of roots. So A by R plus A plus AR equals to minus A. So A by R common, 1 plus R square equals to minus A. Suppose this is 2. Also product of roots taking 2 at a time, then adding. So sum of roots is minus A. Then alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. So product of root taking 2 at a time, A by R into E, A into AR, AR into A by R equals to minus B. equals to minus b. So a by r, a square by r common. So this is 1. This is r square. R cancel. This is r equals to, obviously this is positive, sorry, this is plus b. So a by r common, a square by r common, 1 by r square, r cancel, this equals to b. So this is our equation number 3. Now we have to calculate b by a. So 3 division 2 implies, so minus b by a. This is minus b by a. So a square by r at the numerator. This one is cancelled. This is a by r. So r cancel. So minus b by a equals to r cancel. A by r, a square by r. So this equals to a. So minus b cube by a cube equals to a cube. A cube. What is a cube? A cube equals to minus b by a. So minus b by a, we need minus b by a. So minus b by a, minus b by a equals to minus a. And we have already got this one, minus b by a equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a equals to a. So b by a equals to minus a. B by a equals to minus a. So b by a equals to this one, b by a equals to 6. B by a equals to, so this is also very simple problem. You need only, this is actually theory of equation, problem of theory of equation. Sum of roots. Sum of roots is minus a. This is sum of roots. Product of roots we are taking at the beginning. So this is minus 6. So sum of roots, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. So sum taking product of 2 at a time. Then so we are getting minus b by a, then b by a. So b by a equals to 6. So possible, this is answer 6. Now we consider problem number 6 and 7. Sum of series. So arithmetic geometric series. So look, 1, 4, 7, 10. So they are in AP. And 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube. They are in GP. So they are called arithmetic geometric series. Look, it is 1 into 1. First term from AP. Second part they form GP. So problem number 6. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. They form AP. 1 R square R cube. They form GP. So they are called arithmetic geometric series. So how to find sum of arithmetic geometric series? So consider the general one, Sm. So S equals to 1 into 1, 2 into R, 4 into R cube. So 5 into R. Sum of infinite GP series can be obtained when common ratio less than 1. When common ratio less than 1. So S infinity, this is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 equals to 1 by 1 minus r whole square. So 1 minus r equals to plus minus 3 by 2. So if we take positive 1, 1 minus r equals to 3 by 2. So what is r? R equals to 1 minus 3 by 2. So r here, so 1 minus 3 by 2, this is minus r. Now if we take negative 1, 1 minus r equals to minus 3 by 2. This is not 3 by 2. So look, if we take, this is reciprocal, so this is 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3. So r equals to 1 minus 2 by 3. This is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So 1 minus r equals to 2 by 3. Taking reciprocal. So if we take positive sign, r equals to 1 by 3. And this is 1 minus r equals to minus 2 by 3. So r equals to 1 plus 2 by 3. So this is not possible. This is always common ratio lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So what is the value of r? R is 1 by 3. Now look it again. So find the sum of the series, this infinite GP series. Infinite series but it is arithmetic geometric series. First part form AP and second part form GP. That is why they are arithmetic geometric series. This is S, multiply S by common ratio, write leaving one term. So S into 1 minus r, you are getting a series, infinite series. S infinity is this, it is given 9 by 4. So 1 minus r equals to 2 by 3. Taking positive and taking negative, we get value as 1 by 3 and 1. This is not possible. So value is 1 by 3. So similarly the second one, exactly same problem. Now we consider sum of series of two problems. So problem number 21, Sn 1 by 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 dot dot n. 100 Sn equals to n, then value of n. And problem number 23, k equals to 1 to 5, n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 equals to k by 3. Find k. So these are all problem of JEE Main. So suppose problem number 23. So TR, what is TR? This is TR. N plus 1, this is R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3. So our main aim will be to write TR as a difference of two consecutive terms. So rule is difference of greatest R plus 3 minus R, and then you write denominator as it is. So to make it balance, look, you have to take 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Now look, if you divide this by this, so what we are getting? R plus 1, R plus 2, and this one is R cancel, R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3. So this one. So this can be expressed as, so if we take as VR, then this will be VR plus 1. VR. Suppose this is VR. What is VR? 1 by R into R plus 1, R plus 2. So what is VR plus 1? You look, meaning is remains same or not. So this one is R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3. So look, R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3. So this is our main aim, to write it as a difference of two consecutive terms. Now what is S? S is summation T R. R equals to 1 to 5. So what we are getting? T1 is V1 minus V2. T2 V2 minus V3. T3 V3 minus V2. V4 minus V5. V5 minus V6. So look, all terms are cancelled. 1 by 3 as it is, so only V1 and this is V6. So V2, V3, this is V3 minus V4, V4 cancel, V5 cancel. So we are living with V1 and V6. Now what is V6? V1, what is V1? Now you put value of V1. So S equals to, what is S? S equals to V1. V1 is, put R equals to 1. So 1 by 3, then 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 minus V6. What is V6? So 6 into 7 into 8. So 1 by 6, 1 by 18 outside. So 6 into this, so 1 minus 1 by 56. So 55 by 18 into 56. 55 by 18 into 56. So this will be sum. So listen again. A rule is, take difference of this greatest minus least, then balance it. What is balance? Balance is, this is n plus 3 minus n. So 1 by 3 to be balanced, VR minus VR plus 1, then put values of V1 and V6. So this is one technique of finding sum. Similarly, you can find sum of this simple series. Suppose if Tn equals to 1 by n plus 1, n plus 2. So what is rule? N plus 2, this is highest, n minus 1. No need of balancing. So this is 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. If you consider this as Vn, and this will be Vn plus 1. So if you take sum, whole term will be cancelled out, only first and last will remain. And now we consider three same type problems to find minimum or maximum value using arithmetic mean greater than equals to geometric mean. So problem number 19. So minimum value. So to find minimum value, we use am greater than equals to gm. So look, y plus z by x. So if we consider the number yz and zx, so what is arithmetic mean of yz plus zx? This is arithmetic mean. Y plus z by x. So y by x plus z by x by 2 greater than equals to yz into zx. So this is root over. This one is root over. So what we are getting, look, y plus z by x. greater than equals to 2 into yz by x square, yz by x square. So call it 1. So similarly for the second one, z by y plus x by y by 2 greater than equals to z by y x by y. So z plus x by y greater than equals to 2 into zx by y square. This is 2. So exactly for the third one, similarly if we complete it, we get x plus y by z, this one is z, greater than equals to 2 into xy by z square. So this is equation number 3. So if we multiply them, what we are getting? 1 into 2 into 3. So we are getting y plus z by x. This is by x. Second one is z plus x by y. Third one is z plus x by y. So this greater than equals to. So we are getting am greater than equals to gm, 1, 2 and 3. So if we multiply 1 into 2 into 3, if we multiply 1 into 2 into 3, so y plus z by x, z plus x by y, z plus x by y, and finally x plus y by z, x plus y by z. So this greater than equals to 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into root over. So if we take it within one root, so we get root over yz by x square, zx by y square, xy by z square. So this greater than equals to 8. This greater than equals to 8. So product of this greater than equals to 8. So we are getting product of this greater than equals to 8. So this is first part. Listen again. This one, y by x, z by x by 2 greater than equals to this. For this one, we are getting to second, third. And if we multiply, we get this greater than equals to. So this is equation number 4. Now we have to find minimum value of this. So if we consider as first one, this is second one, this is third one, arithmetic means is by 3. So this greater than equals to cube root of, this is cube root of what you are getting, y plus z by x, z plus x by y, x plus y by z. Now from 3 we get value of this. So y plus z by x, z plus x by y, x plus y by z greater than equals to 3 cube root of 3 into cube root of, and from 3 this is 8. So greater than equals to 3 into cube root of 8. So this into 2, so greater than equals to 6. So if x, y, z are positive, then minimum value of this equals to 6. This equals to 6. So look, we have to use am greater than gm 2 times. So this is also most important problem of JEE Main. Now problem number 20. So a plus b plus 3c equals to 12. ABC belongs to R class. Then A B square C cube. This is minimum or maximum of this is, it may be greater than, this is equal to, and this is less than equals to, D is none. So A, B to C. So look, we can write A plus B plus 3C. In this way. Look, B by 2 is B, 3C. So A plus B plus C. So A plus B, this is 3C, this is 3C, 3C equals to 12, then AB square C cube. So make some modification. So problem number 20, this is A plus 2B. A plus 2B plus 3C equals to 12. So AB square C cube. So A, 2B can be written as, and 3C, this equals to 12. So if we consider these 5 numbers and use m greater than equals to gm. So to get a b square c cube, look, if we take product, that is geometric mean a b square, this is c cube. So that is why we are writing in this way. So a b plus b, c plus c plus c. How many terms? 5. Greater than equals to a b square c cube. This is 5th root of this. And this is actually a plus 2b plus 3c. This is 12 by 5. Greater than equals to 5th root of. This is given to be 12. So 5th root of a b square c cube. A b square c cube. So a b square c cube, then 5th root, this lesser than equals to 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So this by 5, 12 by 5. 5th root of this. So a b square c cube whole to the power 1 by 5. So if we take this as 1 by 5, this lesser than equals to 12 by 5. So finally what we are getting, a b square c cube lesser than equals to 12 to the power 5 by 5 to the power 5. 12 to the power 5 by 5 to the power 5. Now look, this one is not 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 6. So this is 6. So that is why we are getting fraction. So this 5th root of this is 2. This is 2. So this lesser than equals to 2 to the power 5. So lesser than equals to 2 to the power 5. That is maximum value is 2 to the power 5. Maximum value is 2 to the power 5. So look, if we want to get minimum value, then minimum value will be with respect to plus. Now in equation is reverse. That is why this is product value. Product value is less than. That is why we are getting maximum value. In general, we get minimum value if we get m greater than gm. Here gm less than equals to m and m is given. So a plus 2b plus 3c. That is why we are getting maximum value. So maximum value is, this one is not 5, this one again 6, because there are 6 terms. So there are 6 terms, this is 6th root. So this is 2 to the power 6. So C will be possible answer. So this is application of m greater than equals to 0. Now am equals to gm when terms are equal. When each terms are equal. Now let us consider problem number 21. X cube y4 z5, x plus y plus z equals to 12. So x cube, so we can write x in the form of x by 3, x by 3, x by 3. So y by 4, y by 4, y by 4, y by 4. So if we add, we get y. Then z by 5, z by 5, z by 5, z by 5, z by 5 equals to, what is the value? 12. So x, this is y, this is z. Now how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So same technique, m greater than equals to gm. So x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3. This is y by 4, y by 4, y by 4 plus y by 4. 4 times z by 5, z by 5, z by 5, z by 5, z by 5. So by 12 greater than equals to geometric means. So we are getting x cube by 3 cube, y to the power 4 by 4 to the power 4, z to the power 5 by 5 to the power 5, total 1 by 12. 1 by 12. 12 term. So this equal to x plus y plus z, and this is given to be 12. So 12 by 12 greater than equals to x cube y4 z to the power 5 by 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 12. So if we reverse it in this form, so we get x cube y cube z cube lesser than equals to, this is 1, 3 cube 4 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5. And one additional condition is given. What is one additional condition? Given x cube y cube z to the power 5 equals to 6 cube into 100 into 100 into 100, 6 cube into 100 into 100 into 1 by 10, that is 6 into 10 into 100 into 100, and this equals to, we can write 3 into 3 cube. So this is 6 cube into 100, 6 cube into 100. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3, and this is 4. 4 is 2 into 2 into 2, and this is 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 4 to the power 4, 4 to 64 into 4. So 2 cube, so 2 to the power 4, then again 2 to the power 4. So this equals to, we can write, look, 6 to the power 3, and this is 5 into 10. So this is 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times 10 into 10 into 10. So this is 6 cube into 10 as it is. Look, 6 cube into 10 as it is, 100 into 100, 100 into 100. So 6 cube into 10, this is 100, and this one is 100. So 110. So let us verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 6 cube into 10, this is 100 into 100. So this value, look, 0.1, this value, and this one 6 into this are same. Actually this lesser than equals to, here it is given lesser than equals to, and here it is given equal to. So what we are getting? So therefore m greater than equals to gm. Here m greater than equals to gm. but here m equals to gm. If m equals to gm, we know then terms are equal. So what we are getting? We are getting terms are equal. So if m equals to gm, then terms are equal. Therefore x by 3 equals to y by 4 equals to z by 5. So these are 3 terms, this is 4, all terms are equal. If m equals to gm, then terms are equal. So they are same. So suppose this is k. So x equals to 3k, y equals to 4k, z equals to 9k. So if we put x plus y plus z, it is given to be 12. So this is x is 3k, this is 4k, and this is 5k. 5k equals to 12, so k equals to 1. So what we are getting? X equals to 3, y equals to 4, z equals to 5. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So we have to find x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So 27 plus 64 plus 125. So 64, 27. 216. So this is typical problem of IIT. You listen again. So it is given that x plus y plus z equals to 12. Now it is given in this form: x cube y4 z4, z4 x cube y4 z to the power 5. For the problem, previous problem, a b square c cube. Now look, to get x cube, so x, so we are writing it x by 3, x by 3, x by 3. Y to the y, this at y by 4, 4 times. Z by 5, 5 times. So meaning remaining same. So how many terms? 12 terms. So m greater than equals to gm. So this by 12 greater than equals to this. So this equals to 12. So if we write it in reverse form, this lesser than equals to is 6 cube into 10 into 100 into 100. This is lesser than equals to. But given condition, this is equal to. So here m greater than equals to gm. So we know m equals to gm when terms are same. So these are the terms: x by 3, y by 4, z by 5. So terms are same. So we suppose this as k. So x, y, z, put this value to the given relation, you get k, and you get x cube, y cube, z cube. Now we consider one more problem, mixed problem of AP, GP and HP. But simple. ABC are in A, X, B are in AP. So what we are getting? 2x equals to A plus B. A, Y, B are in GP. So y square equals to A plus B. A, Z, B are in HB. So 1 by A, 1 by Z, 1 by B are in AP. We know reciprocals. So 2 by Z equals to 1 by A plus 1 by B. So 2 by Z equals to A plus B by AB. Now what is A plus B? Y square. And A plus B equals to y square. So what is AB? AB equals to y square. A plus B equals to 2x. A plus B equals to 2x. And AB equals to y square. So 2 cancel. So we are getting y square equals to x z. Now one more condition is given: x equals to 9z. So y square equals to x. What is z? What is z? Z is x by 9. Y square equals to xz. So y square equals to xz. So x equals to 9z, or if we put x, z equals to what? Z equals to x by 9. So y square equals to 9x square. So what is y? So y equals to plus minus 3x, or we write mod y equals to 3x. Mod y equals to 3x. So mod y equals to 3x. What is mod y? Mod y is here 3z. So it is written in terms of z. So answer is in terms of z. So look it again. Y square equals to xz. So what is value of x? X is 9z. 9z into z. So 9z square. So y equals to plus minus 3z. So mod y equals to 3z. Mod y equals to 3z. So what is the possible option? Possible option is mod y equals to 3z. Mod y, this is option number 1. So today I have discussed some important problems of AP, GP and HP. These problems, there are some typical problems also. So they are important for West Bengal Joint, JEE Main, and some problems are of IIT standard also. So you solve rest of the problems. So I will take one more class on series. So then I will complete the total part of series. Thank you.